The OKC Metro Nurse Honor Guard Coalition is proudly here today to honor Charlene Ann Clement and her life as a nurse. If you are a nurse, please stand with us. Charlene is not remembered by her years as a nurse, but by the difference that she made during those years. By stepping into people's lives during those special moments. Nursing is a calling, a lifestyle, a way of life. Charlene was there when a calming, quiet presence was all that was needed. Charlene was there in the excitement and miracle of birth, or in the mystery and loss of life. Charlene was there when a silent glance could uplift a patient, family member, or friend. Charlene was there at those times when the unexplainable needed to be explained. Charlene was there when the situation demanded a swift foot and a sharp mind. Charlene was there when a gentle touch, a firm push, or an encouraging word was needed. Charlene was there in choosing the best one from the family's thank you box of chocolates. Charlene was there to witness humanity, its beauty, in good times and bad, without judgment. Charlene was there to embrace the woes of the world willingly and offer hope. Charlene was there, and now it is time to be at the greater one's side. Charlene Ann Clement is there. Charlene, we honor you today and give you a white rose to symbolize our honor and appreciation for being our colleague. Charlene, please report for duty. Charlene, please report for duty. Charlene Ann Clement, please report for duty. Charlene Ann Clement, license number R00161140. Your work is complete. We officially release you from your nursing duties, and we'll take it from here.